This is the first time we've been in this Goodwill store. It's pretty fancy. So we want to go see what this one's like and see if we can find us some goodies. Give me a card. Red 25% off. Let's go back and see what goodies we can find. My God, they got baskets. I see them. We're going to check out the basket. Oh, look, they got these little birds too. Those are super cute. How much are these? $4.92. Man, those things are heavy. They're like concrete or something. I gotta see how much the basket is. I'm freaking out. So I'll twist it up here. How much? $4.92. So it's gonna go like from here to here. Okay. I didn't do it. I'm an innocent.
First time ever.
I like this one too. How much is this one? $4.92. Wait a minute. What? It's red 25% off. This is 25% off. I'm gonna pass. It's got pink in it. Looks really Easter. Oh, look, they got a little stool thing, a little riser. That's $4.92. Did somebody cut the legs off it? I think they did. Yep, somebody cut the legs off it. This is cute. Shelving kind of thing. I like that. That would look really cool with some milk paint on it, but I don't see a price on it. Oh, there it is. Oh, I want that. That's only $4.79. Look, somebody dated it. They made it. That's cool. I'm gonna milk paint that. That'll be cute.
Yeah, this was like a picture frame.
Oh yeah, it had a little wood thing in it of the picture.
I bet it was a clock.
Oh, it's got a hole. It was a clock.
Yeah.
But you know what? We just might do something else with that. I don't know. That's got me all. I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get that. Towel rack is only $3.11. Metal box. This is kind of cool. I don't know what that's made out of. $2.95. Kind of like the colors. I just want this for the colors because it would look so pretty in the booth. Well, I really, really love these, but I don't want to pay $11.26 even at 25% off. Those would be kind of high. Look at the little dragon. That's kind of cute. These are kind of cute. What are they? Are these like little shelf things or something? I'm not sure what these are. What do you think these are?
They look like little shelves.
They're $4.92 and they're 25% off. That's not 25% off. Red's 25% off. These are cute. That one actually looks a little better. I think. They all do. They all have some kind of rub.
So, yeah.
That one looks less dirty. This one's pretty dirty.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get one. It's a good price.
Doesn't have any way to hang it.
No, I just add those little hang things. No big deal. Plastic shelving. They are really thin on merchandise too. Everybody is so thinned out. It's kind of nice. $4.92. It's yellow. I don't know what this is. Cross or something maybe? Yeah.
There might have been some sort of game with those.
Yeah, I wondered about that too.
Because that definitely goes there.
1994. Somebody made that, and they did a good job too, by the way. Really pretty. $7.70. Those are pretty too. It's like somebody made all this stuff, you know?
Yeah.
Really pretty. This is super cute. Yeah, it's fair. I don't know. $2.95 is a little high for resale on that. He's really cute though. It's $2.86.
And it's red.
It's red, but I don't like it. Whoa, they are so empty. Very, very empty. She's cute. Empty box. Antique person cover.
Oh yeah.
These are really pretty. Little vases. Little bud vases. These are cute. These little cups are $4.79. Little brown teacups. It's an egg cup. It's kind of a very pretty egg cup. It's $1.34. There's two of them. It's kind of pretty. It's only $3.11. The prices are fairly good over here, though. I gotta admit, they're not bad. I actually really like that's Pioneer Woman. I think $9.89. That's the ruffly one, isn't it? How much was that uptown?
I don't know. We
Seems like it was like 20.
State sale for $20.
That was it. It was $20. That's only 10.
Yeah.
You gotta get that one.
I'm kind of tempted.
It's a good size. It's not huge, but I kind of like it. Let's get that. If I don't use it, I'll definitely resell it. Oh, these are cute. They got some pretty stuff. That's pretty. Wild Oats Stonehenge, Midwinter, made in England, $2.89. That's really pretty. Very pretty. Is it cracked or anything?
I was checking.
No, they don't have lids. They are definitely lasagna dishes.
Yeah.
$2.86.
Cracks.
Good.
I was concerned at first right here, but that's just where the way they do the paint.
Cool.
So, cool.
Yeah, we're loading her up. $2.95. This is really, really pretty. This is Certified International. Susan Wingett? $2.95. I don't know, but that's really pretty. It's more of a Christmassy thing, isn't it? I don't think that goes with it. No, it doesn't. At first I thought it did, but it does not. It's pretty though. Look at all this glassware and stuff they got. These are so pretty. Look how pretty. Very springish. Oh, there. Paint. Googie on that. Pretty tureen. It's pretty. Everything is pretty today, isn't it? This is tell for. I didn't do it. That's all I know. I'm innocent. These are pretty. They're new, but they're pretty. Look at this pedestal. Oh man, $3.11. That's Starbucks coffee. Dessert cake stand was $14.99. It's only $3.11 now. I don't know. Don't know if I should get that. I don't know. It is. It's very pretty. I did not know that either. These are pretty. It's really kind of a spring look. These are newer, but they're pretty. Oh, look how gorgeous those are.
Oh, yeah.
Those are definitely in order to take. Yeah, Japan. Anyway, these would be beautiful to decorate, to put up for spring, these colors. I mean, see how pretty those would go with the baskets? Those colors, I love them. I just don't think I could sell them for much more than that. It's like, look how gorgeous these are. Oh, this is so spring. Love them. Oh, these go to those plates. How pretty. Too, I like this plaid. It's really pretty. I just can't do the $1.34 per plate. It's just too high for me. Here, little bunny rabbits. It's a music box. Oh, that's new Enesco. How cute. They're all music boxes. Even the little frog. How cute is that? Look at this little bunny painting her legs. These are so sweet. This is a battery clock. Yep. Oh, looky. This is a Thomas Kincaid. Isn't that pretty? $4.92. It's pretty. It's cute, but it's messed up. Oh, that almost looks like Pioneer Woman. It is Pioneer Woman. I didn't know Pioneer Woman had clocks. Did you know Pioneer Woman had clocks?
No.
$4.92. I don't know, because I don't know what it's worth, but man, it's dirty. It needs to be cleaned up, but that's a new one on me. See anything? There's some more vases down there I want to take a quick look at. Pictures. What kind of pictures and stuff do they have? Anything that I might be interested in? Not seeing anything. This is really pretty right here. $5.14. Oh, it's a tray. I was like thinking this was a picture, and I was like, how pretty is it? It's a tray top. I don't have the legs, so dang it. That'd be cool if they had the legs for it, because that's really, really neat. You don't see them like that anymore. Let's look at all the flowers and vases. This is cute. Oh, this is like a bird feeder. How cute is that? $5.14. Isn't that cute? That's pretty cute. I'm ready for spring stuff, though.
That too.
Huh?
Did that too. That is.
I know, because it's that time of the year, You want to start putting all the spring stuff out. This is really pretty. Beautiful decanter. It's got the glass insert, and that's all glass. Look at that. Etched glass is pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. Someone put it in wrong when they put the tape on it. What is it?
What's it say?
I can't.
Plant basket.
Thomas Plant Basket, Boonville, Missouri. I'll be darned.
Wow, really?
Mm-hmm. Interesting. Never heard of that, but it's really pretty. Huge, though.
Yeah.
I don't know. Okay, moving on. These are pretty too. These are new, but they're really pretty. Look at the glass cut. So that looks like that goes in here, but it don't. Okay. They got this pretty little mirror. $4.99. Oh, a basket. How much is the basket? I love it. It's got leather on it. It's beautiful.
Oh, it's like...
Is there something in it?
Yeah. That's not bad. It's like a
picnic.
basket.
It is.
It has the dishes and stuff.
Isn't that beautiful though? Too bad it's got all that. Oh my
It's a whole
lord.
set. Look at that.
What in the world all does it have in here? That's pretty fancy. Little trays. Is that a... No, that's a little food tray. Is it, no, maybe you're right. Maybe that is a cutting board.
I think
It's got
you're
little
right. I think
plates.
it's upside down.
Some kind of cups in there, and
Wow. That is quite the set.
yeah, that's a tray.
Yeah.
My goodness, that is pretty fancy. Okay. That's really fancy. It is.
1907.
Whoa. It's worth that.
Yeah.
Definitely, but
Everything
not
that
for
comes with
resale, but it is worth that. So, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Calvin Klein. This is a fake. Well, I doubt if it's just Calvin Klein.
Well, that's true.
I mean, they want $30 for it, practically $29.18. So I would say it's probably real.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's pretty. 6, I don't know what it is. Gotta check out the cards. I remember these. You could also get these in clear and red. Back in the day, this cut glass. They want $4.92. This is really cute right here. Is that $2.95. Large ceramic house. It's just a large ceramic house. Okay. On the side. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at the roses. $2.86. Oh man. That's pretty. Pretty. It's pretty. There's all kinds of pretty and fun stuff here. Let's see. Oh, soup bowls. And this is like a wooden chip and dip. Peanuts in it. And then these are... Oh, okay. I'll put that back. Oh, look at these. They're in little baskets. $2.95. Those are cute. Okay. Well, I think we pretty much covered everything. Their little furniture area. See how much I want for the big tub. It's a nice square one. How much is it? $11.26. Not too bad. So we will now be heading out with our little load. Let's go.